You guys already know how to change the order on your touchscreen for the buttons. But did you know you can also change the appearance of the buttons going from this to this? It totally changes the color, the function. You still can reorganize the order the way you want this stuff at, okay? And move it from page to page. But how do you get to this point? Let me show you guys how to do that right now. First step, you want to go back to the home screen. We're going to select settings. After selecting settings, we'll go to system. Now from system, you got so many tabs up there. Easiest way to make sure you're on all. Now let's go to the way bottom by hitting up. See how you're all the way down here now. And then we're going to select change skin. Hit next. Hit yes. Then it goes right there. Now, once again, you can choose where you want these all to go at from that point between different pages, and then hit OK once you get it where you want. Now, another cool thing is you probably watched one of my other videos out there how you can change your wallpaper. To access this menu, all you have to do is click and hold somewhere without a button on the touchscreen, hit change wallpaper, and then you got some live wallpaper. That's already set in there by that. You have a little preview, hit select wallpaper. Then you can also download photos onto a flash drive. I don't have one on hand right now, but you see in my other video. You put it into this USB, and not this one, but this USB. And you get to this screen, hit gallery. Then you can import your own photos. And then you can also change the wallpaper by selecting wallpaper. So find what you like, hit set from there, and it changes it right back up. Now let's say if you're at this screen and you want to go back, revert it back to the way, hit settings. Everything looks different. Select system. You're at the alt tab, hit up again, and go to change skin, hit next, hit yes. Now we're back to the default just like that. Pretty quick.